Sobrang laugh trip nung nakita ko sa Reddit. Nakita ko to siya sa may may nag-chat subreddit. So the conversation went this way. Sabi ni girl, "Can you stop courting me na?" Sabi ni guy, "Sure, I appreciate you letting me know." Ganun lang? Mag-stop ka na lang agad? Akala ko kahit paano lalaban ka pa. Pero sige, maybe it's for the best na rin. Sabi naman ni guy, "It's fine, I respect your decision. Can I call you?" Si guy, "Nah." Tapos after a while, sabi niya, "Please." To give you a little bit more context about this, ang sabi ni OP, "May girl akong pinopursue for almost 5 months. 29 na siya at 26 ako. Ako lagi yung nag-i-initiate ng chats, calls, lahat ng effort. Alam ko na halos lahat about sa kanya. Family, work, pati mga favorite foods niya pag nagkikrave siya. Pero kahit ganun, never naman siyang naging curious about me. Or nag-ask about me, like what's my interest or kahit kumusta ako." Sabi niya, independent daw siya. Gusto niya ng ma-effort na guy. So pinush ko pa rin. Pero eventually, napagod din ako. Lalo na nung nagkasama kami tapos nag-flirt pa siya sa ibang guy. Doon na ako natauhan. Ginost ko siya, di na nag-message or kahit ano. Tapos yun, nag-chat siya bigla niyan. Kaya ngayon, focus sa gym, sarili at self-improvement. Nakakapagod din kasi maging consistent sa taong hindi naman sigurado kung gusto ka talaga. Good for you, OP. Tama lang yung final decision mo to leave her and just focus on yourself for a while. Kasi guess what? She's outright disrespecting you na. Well, to be fair naman dun sa girl, I think she acted this way kasi masyadong naging available si OP dun sa babae dati. She did mention doon na lagi siya yung nag-i-initiate ng chats, ng calls, etc. Lahat daw ng effort ay galing kay OP. Pero still, at the end of the day, hindi pa rin talaga deserve ni OP na bastusin siya ng ganon. Kung umpisa pa lang kasi at nawawala na ng interest si girl, dapat sinasabi na niya kagad. Hindi yung dinarag pa niya yung courtship for 5 months. And women, kapag meron na kayong kadate na lalaki, it's outright disrespectful kung makikipag-flirt ka ba sa ibang lalaki habang nandun ka sa current date nyo. Kahit na sige, hindi kayo, pero you're on a date eh. Nag-set aside ng time and energy and money si guy para makasama ka one-on-one. If you ask me, the woman is not testing you in that case. She's outright disrespecting you na. So kung parehas kayo na nasa sitwasyon ngayon ni OP, just do what he did. Exit ka na. And just focus on yourself. Kasi if you tolerate this kind of behavior, that only communicates with a girl na okay lang sa'yo yung ginagawa niya. Kasi always remember na what you tolerate in life, you get more of. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Hey,